Convert Dst to Object. This tool is useful to convert Dst to Object. This tool can be used with any feel, like satin, tatami, and any other fill. This tool cannot use with line fill. Here you can see all the objects are Dst. First select all the objects and press Convert Dst to Object button. Here you can see has become an outline on all the objects. Hold the object and put it to the side. By selecting this outline, we will be able to convert it into any feel. Press the Satin Fill button to convert to satin fill. If you want to convert to tatami feel, press Tatami Feel button. You will convert this to any feel.